Jai Hind everyone. My name is Vivek and I welcome all of you here in online study of mathematics. Yes, we are studying coordinate geometry of class 9th NCERT based, and in our previous video we learned how to draw xy plane or coordinate plane with the help of number lines. Then we have divided our coordinate planes into four parts: first part, second part, third part and fourth part, and these parts are known as quadrants. Therefore this is your first quadrant, it will be your second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So in this video we will study coordinates. Yes, coordinates, to have coordinates in coordinate geometry is of very important place. So the standard form of coordinates is x, y, and we write x, y with the help of a comma. We separate x, y with the help of a comma and within small brackets. When we write these kinds of thing in this format, this is known as your coordinate. We can take any values of x and any values of y. तो मैंने आपको क्या बताया है, we will write any two real numbers, any two integers in this manner. Means first number, suppose x is 2 and y is 3, then we will separate them with the help of comma. If we will not write comma, then it will be read as 23. So we will separate it by comma and we will put it into small brackets. In this manner it will be a coordinate, and we can put this coordinate here on xy plane. How? Have a look out. Here we knows that the first value is always x and the second value is always y. Why? Because it is the standard form of any coordinate. जब भी हम किसी कोऑर्डिनेट को रीड करते हैं या कोऑर्डिनेट को हम प्लॉट करना चाहते हैं, योर फर्स्ट वैल्यू विल ऑलवेज बी ऑफ एक्स एंड सेकेंड वैल्यू विल ऑलवेज बी ऑफ वाई. नाउ आई थिंक इट इज़ क्लियर टू यू. नाउ मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट स्टेप. Check that coordinate. What is the sign of that coordinates? To have knowledge of sign is of very important in coordinate plane. In our previous video we get to know that in the first quadrant we have plus plus, means this is your x and this is your y. So the value of x is positive here in first quadrant and the value of y is also positive here in second quadrant. So what we will do next? It means 2 3. By reading 2 3 we get to know that this coordinate can be placed in first quadrant. क्यों हम इस कोऑर्डिनेट को फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में क्यों कर सकते हैं प्लेस? द रीज़न इज बोथ x and y are positive and in first quadrant we have both positive. Now read out the value of x. X is plus 2 and this is your x-axis, x dash. Here you have positive x-axis and here you have negative x-axis, but here we have positive x. X is equals to plus 2 and plus 2 on x-axis can be found here. This is your x is equals to 2. Here we have x is equals to 2. Because it is positive, so x is equals to 2 will be found in the positive direction of x-axis. Now read out the value of y. Y is plus 3. Y is also positive. Here it is your y-axis. This is your positive y-axis and it is your negative y-axis. So in this positive y-axis what we have? Y is equals to plus 3. So it is your y is equals to plus 3. And we knows that this coordinate will lie on first quadrant. First quadrant. So in first quadrant we will draw horizontal line or a vertical line as well as horizontal line. From point 2 we will draw a vertical line like this, and from point 3 we will draw a horizontal line, and the angle of these lines will be 90 degree, similarly 90 degree. The point where they intersect each other, जिस पॉइंट पर दोनों परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस, ओके, these perpendicular lines where they will meet each other or where they will intersect each other, that will be your required coordinate 2 3. This is your 2 3. This is the required coordinate. So what we have done, we have plot a coordinate 2 3 in xy plane. एक कोऑर्डिनेट को हमने xy प्लेन में कैसे प्लॉट करते हैं ये सीखा है. We will take one more example. Let we have another point B, and we have B -2 and -4, and we have to plot point B on coordinate axis. हमें B पॉइंट को कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस पर प्लॉट करके बताना है कि इसकी एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन कहाँ है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी नो दैट द फर्स्ट वैल्यू विल बी ऑफ x एंड सेकेंड वैल्यू विल बी ऑफ y. सो x इज इक्वल्स टू -2 and y is equals to -4. This is your x-axis and x is negative here, so x is negative on the left hand side. X is equals to -2. Here we have x is equals to -2 and y is equals to -4. On y-axis y is equals to -4 is here, and with the help of sign we knows that the number of the type minus minus, it will be placed in third quadrant. So from -2 we will draw a perpendicular line which will be parallel to y-axis, and from -4 we will draw a perpendicular line which will be parallel to x-axis. Here we can observe they are intersecting each other. In this point these perpendicular lines are intersecting each other, therefore this will be the required point. This point is your B, and the coordinates of B are -2 and -4. So this point denotes -2 -4. In this process you can plot any of the number on coordinate axis. Let's have another example. C, we have to plot C and it is of the type 2 -3. We have to plot 2 -3 here on the number line. How can we process our work? You knows this value is of x and this value is of y. First value will always be x and second value will always be y. Here x is positive, x is +2, and on x-axis positive +2 we can find here. This is your positive +2, x is equals to +2, y is equals to -3. On y-axis y is equal to -3 is here. Okay, first of all we will find where is x and where is y along with their sign. Now we know this is positive and this is negative, and this kind of coordinate can be found in fourth quadrant because the sign of the coordinates present in fourth quadrant are of the type plus minus, and it is also plus minus. So we will found point C here in fourth quadrant. So start our process from this point to. Now I am making your work easier, so listen carefully. ये नंबर कि जो हम लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं परपेंडिकुलर लाइन, इसमें आपको कन्फ्यूज़न हो सकता है कि कैसे लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं, कि इस पॉइंट से हम नीचे यहाँ लोअर डायरेक्शन में ही क्यों करेंगे लाइन ड्रॉ, जैसे हमने पहले की हुई है अपर डायरेक्शन में, यहाँ भी तो कर सकते हैं, ज़रूरी थोड़ा है हम नीचे वाले क्वाड्रेंट में ही ड्रॉ करेंगे, या फिर इस पॉइंट से हम -2 से हमने लोअर पार्ट में क्यों एक लाइन ड्रॉ की, हम -2 से ऊपर वाले पार्ट में भी तो ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं एक लंबा लाइन। ये यहाँ पर एक कन्फ्यूज़न हो सकता है स्टूडेंट्स आपको, सो उसको इजी बनाने के लिए एंड अपने वर्क को एरर फ्री बनाने के लिए यहाँ आपको ध्यान से सुनना होगा। दिस इज योर +2 अकॉर्डिंग टू पॉइंट सी, x इज इक्वल्स टू +2, +2 इज हेयर and y is -3, y is -3 is here and the sign is plus minus, and according to sign rule plus minus will always find in fourth quadrant. Therefore we will draw a perpendicular line from this point and that line should be parallel to this y-axis like that. ये लाइन y-axis के parallel होनी चाहिए. Now from this point -3 we will draw another number line, another perpendicular line and that should be parallel with x-axis. यहाँ से एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे जो x-axis के पैरेलल होगी। दोनों ही परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस ने एक दूसरे को इस पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट किया है। You can observe. So this will be your required point C and the coordinates of C is 2 -3. 2 -3. So this is the required method, this is your process by following which you can plot any coordinate on xy plane, and I think it is now clear to all of you. And if still you are having any problem, you can comment that you need to repeat this topic, or I suggest you to watch this video again and again, because this is very important chapter from class 9 point of view. You will get approx 6 or 8 marks from this chapter, and what you have to do in this chapter, yes, this is the required work of the entire chapter. You have to, in some questions you have to plot the points, you have to plot the coordinates on xy plane, और दूसरा क्या काम कर सकते हो, you can read coordinates from xy plane. So in this video you have learned how to plot points on coordinate axis. In our next video you will learn how to read points which are already drawn on coordinate axis. Thank you guys for watching this video and keep studying in this lockdown situation. Thanks.